Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Web Coding with Anku. Today we are going to dive into the Next.js project structure and understand how everything organized in a Next.js app. If you are new to Next.js planning to start, this video is helpful to get familiar with the project structure and its essential file. By the end of this video, how you will have a clear idea of where everything goes in Next.js app. So make sure to watch till the end. Alright, let's get started. So here you can see that we are reach out to Visual Studio Code. Here in this, you can see that we have created the Hello World application in the last video. Today, we are exploring the file structure of that particular Next.js app. On the left side, you can see the at root level, we have 4 folders. And apart from that, we have also the 10 files, all combination of this particular Next.js app. So first, let we starting exploring files one by one. So for first file, we can explore the package.json file. So let's explore the package.json file, which is also known as the heart of this particular application. And in the Next.js, it is even more important. So let's open package.json file. Here you can see the number of object and this is the where the when the you run the particular application, it starts from here. Here you can see that you have the dependency. In that dependency, when you are installing the Next.js application, what are the things you have installed at that time was React, showing the version of 19, which is a stable version, and React DOM 19.0, and after that you have the Next.js version, which is 15.2.2, and in the you have also the dev dependency object, in which you have installing the dependency when you are building this particular application. You see that you have the TypeScript, you have Tailwind CSS, you have the ESLint and the configuration nest, ESLint and ESLint. Apart from this, like dependency or dev dependency, you have the script object where when you run this, like npx run dev, then their particular nest is started. And after that, you can see we have the build, start and link. This type of script we use when you run this particular application. When the dev in for the development environment, if you want to run, you can like npm next dev, it will run that in that particular way. So this is all. And here in this, apart from in package.json, you have the name and version of that particular application which you have inbuilt in this. So this is the main application. So this is the main application first where the Next.js application starts running. Now, as we talked about package.json file, we have also the other configuration files lie in this particular Next.js application. Okay. So after that, here you can see that we have the next config.ts file, the main configuration file to customize the Next.js behavior. You can enable image optimization, change the build directory, and many more to this file. After that, we have the ESLint configuration files where all the ESLint related configuration can be done. In this, we have also the Tailwind config file, which is useful when you implementing the Tailwind CSS on your particular web application. In that, after that, we have the TS configuration files where all the related to the configuration related to the TypeScript specific configuration are laid over here. Then we have the post CSS for the Tailwind related CSS configuration is done over here, and we have the git ignore file. If you don't want other folder to be uploaded on the git, you can mention that folder structure over here. So these are the configuration files. In this, after that, we can talk after this we can talk about the folder structure of this particular application. So let's move on to this. So here you can see we are exploring the folder structure of this. Inside this hello world, you can see the .next folder over here where your actual Next.js application lies. Okay, after that you can keep the node module folder when the package you installed will be laid over inside the particular node folders, which will be very helpful. Inside this, you have a public folder where all your CSS or asset or image or asset folder or images files, all the light will be inside the public folder. So let's now explore the source folder of Next.js application. So now let's talk about the source folder. Here, source folder inside you can see consists of 3 files and 4 files over here. One consists of favicon inside, and one most important thing that inside source folder you have the app router, which is where we expand more over time on this particular application. So here in app router, then here you can see the favicon which will be used in the ISO in favicon of your application. Then we have the global.css. All the faces will be widely used in your web application will be seen over here or written over here. Okay, if you want to make change in your globally, you can add your faces over here. Then we have the layout.tsx, which can be used to share all the component relate all the things across the different type of component. And after that, we have the page.tsx file, which will be treated as a component here, and which the actual data of this particular application will be seen on the home page, where as you can see that we have the home page, and this home page will be embedded inside this particular in the layout, which is treated like a children in the layout, and after that it will be visual on the screen. So this is how that all the source folder will be consist of, and this is how your page will be lined. Now I will give you that how these things work together. Now first of all, when you run your TypeScript npm run start in the package.json, it will, when you run with npm dev, this particular dev will activate, and it will move on to the layout.tsx, which will load the root layout object of this particular application. After that, it will search for that particular route or particular component in the current directory, which is page.tsx. In this scenario, here you can see the home component, which will be loaded inside the root layout, root layout as a children prop. So all the content which are written in the page.tsx will be visible on the home page of your application. So this all will be working interchangeably, and this is how your application works in that in Next.js application. All right, that was the complete breakdown of the Next.js project structure. I hope this video helped you understand where everything is and how to use it efficiently. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out our next JS tutorial. And also let me know in the comment what Next.js topic should I cover next. See you in the next one. Thank you.